Welcome to my ShortsAI review. I am so excited to introduce to you an AI-powered software to create short videos. You know, short videos are all the rage. That's why TikTok dominates social media and makes the other giants such as Facebook and YouTube follow the game pushing this kind of content. Because people around the world are addicted to short videos, you've to leave big profits on the table if you don't implement them in your strategies. However, I have been told the reason why they still cannot successfully work on TikTok or YouTube Shorts is due to the lack of video creating skills. Are you in the same condition? If so, you might be interested in checking out ShortsAI, the tool that removes the manual work of creating short videos with the power of intelligence technology. So, what is ShortsAI? ShortsAI is a one-of-a-kind product that provides you with both training and software to create and take full advantage of short-form videos. For more details, the training covers concepts for short videos, strategies, and tips on how to build a list by working only a few hours a day, while the app allows you to create highly engaging videos in minutes by just using your smartphone. Still, confused about where to take content? The good news is there is a built-in AI system that creates a video script for you. That being said, ShortsAI can replace expensive video equipment and also change the way you make videos from now on. That's why I consider it worth reviewing. My ShortsAI review is aimed at bringing in the software features, how it works, how much it costs, and the upgrades it comes with. If you want to read my review article, simply visit the link I put in the description box, and you will also find some interesting bonuses at the end of it. Please don't forget to check it out. Let's continue our video. Let me provide you with the details of the training and the software you're going to access inside ShortsAI. Part 1, the advanced training. You will go through 5 modules below. Module 1, Advanced Concepts for Short Videos. Learn how to use storytelling to create effective videos. Developing ideas/concepts for your niche. Understand the importance of lighting and other aspects of shooting. Module 2, Perfecting your short videos. Familiarize yourself with the platforms and their specific guidelines. How to repurpose content across platforms. Effective planning and scheduling of your content. Module 3, Generating leads with your shorts. How to get people to give you their email addresses, offering the ideal lead magnet for your niche. What to do with that email address, email automation. Module 4, Getting sales with your shorts. What should you sell? How to sell low-ticket offers. How to sell high-ticket offers. Module 5, Planting the seeds for long-term success. Understanding the importance of trends and how they can help you profit. Tracking your results and killing what isn't converting. How to find what works best in your niche and with your audience. Part 2, ShortsAI software. You can create 50 scripts with advanced AI included for script writing. There is a customizable teleprompter. Customize settings for your display size, portrait or landscape orientation, desired speaking speed, and more. ShortsAI allows you to sync desktop apps and mobile apps. Automatic silence removal. You no longer have to worry about awkward long pauses while shooting videos. Install ShortsAI Apple iPhone version and Android version without the need to subscribe to any paid plans. Generate videos that perfect for YouTube Shorts, Facebook Stories, Twitter, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. To help you understand its functions more clearer, I have included a short demonstration of using ShortsAI to create short videos quickly. Let me show you how you can create ready-to-publish short videos in just minutes using ShortsAI. Remember that you can log in from your laptop or even your mobile devices such as smartphones or tablets. Are you curious how a campaign works on the smartphone? I will show you how to create a campaign directly on the smartphone. First of all, I just need to add the campaign name. The next step is creating the script. You can either put the script you have into here or simply write down something briefly and have the ShortsAI automatically create the script for you. For example, I am not good at content writing, so I just write down what I have in my head and click Generate AI Script. In a matter of seconds, I have a completely new, better version of my script. After saving the script for the video, I can go on and record the video based on that script. Record using your own smartphone while simultaneously reading your script on your mobile device. The script is only displayed during this process and does not show up in the final result. Sometimes you have to pause while reading scripts. With ShortsAI, you don't need to play the video to find when these pauses are. After you finish recording, it detects silence from your video. Then you just need to click Apply Changes to remove all these pauses. Now the video is going on well and ready to publish. Instantly get it published to VideCloud, Facebook, and YouTube. The PC version works similarly to what I have just demonstrated. We will use our laptops instead of our phones to entering scripts, record videos, and publish them. Thank you for your attention to my demo video. Hopefully, it helps you understand the product. Don't forget that I have a full review article that provides you with all details of this product. The pricing, upgrades, early bird discount info, as well as the bonuses that I have selected by myself. I include the article link in my description box for you to visit. Simply click and discover.